Hi everyone, welcome to 2020 Quarantine DIY Men's Basic Haircut. I've got a couple of requests from you to show a men's haircut. So here I'm cutting Greg's hair with a number 3 guard. We got rid of his mullet 6 months ago, so this is your basic everyday men's haircut. So roughly work your way around the head. Don't worry too much about making a straight line. Just don't go too high above the temple. Now you want to work your way around the hairline. Pull the ears down to get a nice clean line around the ears. Use your comb to make a line from the middle of the ear down to the nape. From here you could square off the hairline and do the same to the other side. Now you want to spray the hair down as it's easier to cut. Comb the hair down. Now take your guard off the clippers. Make sure it's in the closed position. Now take your comb at a 45-degree angle and cut the hair so that it blends. Repeat this all the way around the head. Now you want to spray everything down, comb everything in a downwards position. Take a 1/2 inch part, 90 degrees from the head, and trim off what you want. Use that first cut as a guideline for your second section. You'll see there your guideline, cut that out. Do the same all the way to the back of the head. Now you want to cut out the corners. I'm working on an angle here to make sure everything's blended. Work your way around the head. Making sure there's no funny corners sticking out. Be careful around any swirls or cowlicks as they're going to stick up. Most people like to keep those parts longer so that they lay down flat. Unless you have a really short haircut, then that section would work really short. Now I'm taking my comb and just blending everything through. Cutting any little hairs that are sticking out. If your client wears their hair forward, make sure to pull the hair forward and make sure that it looks nice, lying down straight. I'm not going to do any fancy texturizing here or fading of any sort. We'll save that for the next time you guys master this haircut. Here Here I'm just using a pomade to make everything lie flat. Typically, you'd want to use a matte pomade if you have finer hair. Since Greg has pretty fine hair, I also use sea salt spray by Davines to thicken it out. Now the final touches of any blending. Don't spray your client in the face. And just finish off with some hairspray. There you have it. All done.